Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again. This is the Duke of Technology, and today we're going to be looking at security groups in depth, right? So, in our last class, we created our first instance. We installed a web server, and we were able to create a simple HTML like website, and we're able to access it, right? So, we're going to study the security groups as basically the firewall and see what we can actually do and have more understanding, right? So if I come down here, I'm going to network and security. So I select the security group. All right, so we have two security groups already. We have the default security group that come with the AWS account, and this was the security group we created. So let's look in depth. Let's see what we have inside of it. All right, so this is the details of the security group. Okay, so we have the security group name, the security group ID, inbound rules I have two, outbound rule I have one. So let's edit this inbound rule and see what's happening. Okay, let me go into inbound rules and then let's say edit inbound rules. All right, so this is our inbound rule, right? So we have an SSH protocol here on port 22 and it allows port from anywhere on the internet. We can actually select the kind of the IP addresses that we want. So we have anywhere IPv4, anywhere IPv6, or you can limit it to your own computer's IP address. Okay, or we can actually um, make the manual like imputation of the IP address. So we have some slider ranges here. Okay, five the blocks, and then we have referencing of security groups. Okay, we're going to look at security group referencing and understanding what it means in respect to this particular um aspect of things. All right, so these are it. So this HTTP protocol is actually the protocol that allows us to access this website and have this. So if I refresh this, yeah, you see that we are still having this website, okay, running. All right, so if I should delete this protocol and save these rules, right? All right, the protocol, I've deleted it. All right, so if I come back here and I refresh this, I'm going to have an infinite loop. All right, so I can actually show you in depth. So let me open another tab, right, and then run the same command to confirm that the website ain't gonna work. All right, so it's having an infinite loop, so I can close this as well, right? This is our, yeah, you can see the infinite loop. So the security group is officially working, right? That's why we have an infinite loop. So here's the tip. Each time you have an infinite loop that is eventually going to time out, it means that it's a security group issue. So you need to check your security group rules, be it SSH, whatever kind of protocols you want to use to access your instance, as long as it's an infinite loop here, this kind of like loading that never ends, it's a security group issue. So you should check your rules, okay? So let's go back and add that HTTP protocol, right? All right, so my inbound rule, let me edit it once more. All right, so let me add the HTTP protocol. So if I add the protocol, so I'm going to select range anywhere IPv4. So anywhere from the internet, okay? All right, so it's updating, so it's fully updated. My inbound rule. All right, so if I come back here, let me stop and refresh. Okay, so let me impute it again. We have it. We're back online. So this is how security group works, right? So we can actually secure our instance with these rules, simple rules. Okay, so let's look at the outbound rule. and how it works. So this is the outbound rule. So all traffic, yes, and all protocols. Okay, so we can look at the outbound rules. Okay, so we have traffic, all traffic here. We can also add, just like the inbound rule, select our protocols to allow going out, select the port range, select the custom or anywhere, any kind of IP address, and we'll be good. So these are a few things that I would love us to know about security groups. Okay, so with this demonstration, I think I'm going to call it today, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves, okay? Bye.